Hey, welcome back, everyone. Tom from Park Avenue Trading, your chief dealer, keeping you sane in these insane markets. It's 10:16 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, June 10th, 2025. Euro dollar analysis. All right. Yesterday I said that we had to get through 114 like 25. We did spike up through it a couple of times, but we were unable to close above it on the 1 hour, and we drifted lower down to the main support here, right at this level, came right back down and touched it. Now, we just recently popped it again, and we hit right into resistance. So the euro dollar itself is meeting up with some resistance. However, it's doing very, very well against the yen. So euro yen is up. So what I'm thinking about euro dollar right now, it really needs to hold this level. If it does break down, we could potentially see coming back down towards the bottom again here. Now that's the main level of support for the day, aside from this minor support right here. If we break this level, we're opening up 113.38. Now you got to watch dollar yen, because dollar yen's the one that's driving what's going on in the euro. I said before that euro dollar is like in a main, like really just in a consolidation zone. It's not really doing much. It's not really the star of the show. Dollar yen is the one where everybody's, getting, risk on, risk off, risk on, risk off. And that's driving what's happening with the euro. Now the euro itself, I'm not really that much of a euro bull per se, but I'm not going to stand in front of a freight train if it decides that it's going to take off. The European Union has a lot of problems. They're potentially going, they lowered rates. They're not seeing the productivity they want. Same thing that's happening in every G7 country. It's just, there's not much spark to their economy. So they look to stimulate the economy with, lowering interest rates. However, if there's no production, there's no production. Overall, if you look at the grand scheme of things, if things play out the way Donald Trump wants them to play out, where other companies come here and invest and start producing products here, that's going to hurt the euro. That's long term. That's not something for a short-term trader, but I always keep that in the back of my mind, because fundamentals are always running through the background. All right, so if we can, what about the upside, Tom? What about the upside? Well, we got resistance all the way up from this 114, say 50, up to 115.05. There's a lot of resistance up here, a lot of wood to chop to try to get the euro on a stronger footing. I don't think short term that we're going to be able to break the 115.05 right now. I do believe that we're going to continue consolidating. If you're a euro bull, if you didn't get long by this double bottom that we have right now, it's really hard, as we're testing this short-term support at 114, say 25, to go and just go, oh yeah, I'm buying it. You never really want to buy when marketplaces are showing a little bit of downward momentum. You want to buy if the breakout's good. You want to grab a retrace and take the currency up. I just finished doing a crypto video, so that's why I'm like, take the coin. So like what I would like to see, if you're a bull, you'd like to see, say, like the 114.15 hold, come back up, break through 114 50-ish, use these levels as support to potentially get us up there. So you'd want to buy on this level here, secondary dip, heading higher. Like I said, I really don't see much happening in the euro dollar. It's all in dollar yen. So make sure you come on over and you watch my sterling yen video, because I cover all that stuff: dollar yen, sterling dollar, and the euro yen. Like I said, though, euro yen is doing pretty well. It's up at 165.42. So that leads me to believe that really the euro dollar is consolidating. There's not going to be much fireworks in the euro today. All right, so if you like what you see, please like and subscribe. Make sure you don't forget, you can head over to Park Avenue Trading and get yourself a free ebook. And remember, always, as a short-term trader, enjoy the party, but dance in the door. Cheers.